do, young nigga? 100.
I am on a 24-hour champagne diet, spilling while I'm sipping.
Hello, people. So you guys are getting like straight out of the bed, Kaya. Like just hopped up out of the bed, no bra, Kaya. Literally like mismatched clothes, Kaya. You're not getting a wig, Kaya. You are literally getting like, I just got out of bed, brushed my teeth, of course. So you got brushed teeth, Kaya, but you are getting me where I'm like not even halfway ready. But I did do one eye just to shorten the video up a little bit. So today's video is going to be just a simple black smoky eye, like legit black smoky eye. And I'm using 3 shadows and 4 brushes. It's not even hard. So that's just how easy this is about to be. So I'm taking this Morphe M330 brush, right? Then I'm gonna take my good old trusty dusty Morphe brushes 35C palette. It's the palette that got all the colors in it. They now have a 35B one, which I do have that one, but I just was like, I don't want to touch it until I finish this one. But I don't know. You know, if you have a lot of palettes, you just be hopping from one to one to one to one. So you get it. So I'm just going to be using, of course, these 2 little purples right here. And then this black shade. That black actually wasn't black enough for me. So I couldn't choose between using ABH's Noir or the Urban Decay Blackout. Since this one was more accessible at the moment, I just went ahead and picked up the Naked 2 palette. And I'm going to use the shade Blackout because it's super duper black. Like it gives me that black that I need to make this shadow a black smoky eye. You know what I'm saying? We'll start off with the transition color using that light purple shade in the M330 brush. And we're just going to fluff that around my crease, well actually above my crease, because it's going to be my transition shade. So you know, it's just going to have that nice fade of purple and then into the black. Okay, now I'm going to move on to this. Ooh, I got purple all over my fingers. Move on to the darker purple and just basically build that up in my crease right here, like you see. I feel like my left eye always performs better than my right eye. That's why I always do the right eye first before I get on camera, because that's usually the eye that I struggle with the absolute most. So I want to make sure that I get that eye out of the way and then I move on to the left eye. Back into that M330 brush and I'm just basically blending those colors together. Make sure it's a nice fade. Like that. So we got a nice little perp going on. Now moving on to like this. This is like an old school trick, I feel like, or maybe not even old school, folks still do it, but I just feel like this is how, like, when I used to do smoky eyes, this is what I would do. Cream gel liner. I'm using the Maybelline Eye Studio one. This is like the perfect liner to me, also drugstore, besides the e.l.f. one. The e.l.f. one is really good too. Like, it's super creamy. It's ooh. Like a small detail. This is the Real Techniques brush. Oh, you don't want to focus? Okay. Right. So yeah, I'm just going to pack this on my lid like this because I needed a good base, because I wanted it to build up and be like super black. Super. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go over it with more black and blend it out. So this is just like a good base just for like the color to catch on to. So I can make sure it's really going to be like really black. Now that that's nice and black, I'm going to move on to the black shade that was in the Morphe palette. And this is a Morphe... Oh, I didn't know this was Morphe brush. Oh, that's cool. I thought this was one of those like sets that you buy from like Marshalls, because that's where I thought I bought it from, but I guess not. This is the Morphe R42 brush. I'm just going to pack that shade on top of this gel liner because I don't want this gel liner to be too moist on my eyelid. We want it to be matte. Okay, so now you see how this is like harsh and there's like no blend at all going on. So we're going to take a small detail brush. This is the Morphe M321, and I'm going to take some of that black, same black shade, and we're just going to go around the edges because we want it to blend in. We don't want it to be like a harsh stop in between. We want it to blend like this lady's doing. So we're going to go over here to the edges and we're going to blend it out, and we're blending it out softly because you don't want black to go somewhere that it's not supposed to be, because then that just messes your whole eye look up and then you have to start all over. So you want to make sure that you really take your time at this point right now, because it's going to keep it from basically messing up your whole eye look. Because if I get black shadow somewhere where it's not supposed to go, that's going to be hard to get rid of. Just blend out the edges. I'm going to move on to the Blackout shade from Urban Decay, the Naked 2 palette, and basically just pack that color on. And you can tell the difference in this black. Pack it on so we can make sure this eyeshadow look is like super black and smoky. And then we're going to blend out those edges again, because that's the most important part with a black smoky eye. You really have to make sure you blend those edges like that, it fades into your transition, because you don't want it to look like you just have two colors that are separate on your eyelid. That's not cute. And there we go. Now we have two black smoky eyes, and they're like super black. And I love it. I haven't done a black smoky eye in so long, but like actually after doing one, it makes you realize like, dang, love a good black smoky. Put on some lashes. These lashes, honestly, I'm not really sure where they're from. I know they're Ardell, but I can't tell you what style they are because I have no clue. So I'm gonna pop these lashes on, and then I'll be back, and then we'll like kind of finish my face and finish the eyes, okay? Be back in a second. I'm back, guys. And we basically like completed the top of my eye. Now that I've basically completed the top of my eyes, we're just gonna go ahead and put on some makeup. What do you think? Or should I just like go out like this, like on my face like this, no foundation, concealer, no powder? What you think? First foundation I picked up when I put one in my foundation drawer is the L'Oreal True Match Makeup. This one is in the shade Neutral. Oh no, wait. It's in the shade Cappuccino N8. I don't know what I'm talking about, y'all. First, I always like to go in on like a moist face. So I'm going to spray my face first with the Makeup Revolution's Pro Fix spray. I've been loving this spray. I'm about out. I think it's only like $8 if you guys want to like check it out. Nice and refreshing. I'm gonna go into this Julep Booster Radiance Oil. I'm not doing a whole face today, guys. Like, I'm not doing the whole routine thing. I mean, like, on here, I don't want to do that. Oh, you better not drip on my brows. I'm just gonna press all this oil in with my beauty blender. We're just gonna get in on this face in a second. I'm about to go put some foundation on, concealer on, and I'll be back like with the powder, contour, and highlights to just finish up the face, okay? Oh, your girl came back with the face all beat. But you guys can see I've added some black to my lower lash line. It's just a regular, I think it was the Makeup Forever pencil line, and yes, it's messy, but that's okay because we're just about to smoke out the bottom lash line anyway, so you know. So I'm taking this little detailing brush that I used in the crease, and we're just going to smoke out that lower lash. I'm going to go into the purple because basically we're reversing everything we did at the top. I don't think I've ever went this smoky on my channel. This is like smoky. I'm gonna go with this. This is the Crystal Glitter Liner from NYX, and this is in like the pink shade. I think it's like rose or something. crystal pink actually. Today we're going to add some highlight. I'm using the Conceited. This is the Conceited from Artist Couture. See that? Now I'm going to go finish my hair, put on some clothes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for today's smoky eye. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I had fun making it. I know it's a very simple, very just regular look. You know, a lot of people do smoky eyes, but hey, I was like, I ain't had no smoky eye look up on my channel, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw one up here for you guys. And I am completely feeling this look. Like, I didn't even think I was going to like it. I was like, ooh, when I was doing my right, I was like, ooh, girl, you probably gonna end up taking this off. Like, it's not gonna work. But look at there, like it came out cute. I feel cute. But yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.